It's not too warm today. Thought I'd show you what we're rocking equipment wise. We've got the F16-55 Mark 1 on here, f2.8. We've got a K&F Black Diffusion 1A filter on the front. We've got the Fujifilm X-T5 here with the Peak Design clutch, micro clutch I think it's called. And I really love this because it allows me to go strapless but still have some security in it. Like, this isn't going anywhere. And I don't like having the leash on. We're getting up to this underpass, and again I just love contrasts. I'm gonna see if I can make something out here. Might have to do some bracketing here to make this work. This is a very nice situation. So using the bracket function here, I've got it set to 2 + 2, 0 and -2 EV stops. Means I can merge the photos in post and bring down the highlights, bring up the shadows and balance the shot a bit better because the camera is struggling with these kind of high dynamic range situations. And as much as I like shadows, I don't want them to be too dark either. I'm gonna wait for another cyclist or scooter or something to pass now. Because I like this shot here. Oh, that yellow. And how it pops against the backgrounds. Kind of waiting for the light rail to pass here now. It's passing like every 5 minutes or so. I kind of want to line up a shot with it as it comes into frame over here. Focusing. Shot a few bursts here, and I was exposing differently here as it was coming, because I wanted a few different exposures. So now I have a few backups in case the over or underexposed versions don't work for it. I need to do some bracketing for this high dynamic range situation here. So I got this bracketing again, 2 stops. I really like this bridge. Okay, this is a scene I haven't seen before. It's gonna be nice. Wow, I love this brutalist architecture right next to this green, lush scenery here. Must be possible to capture some nice photos from this. Post up to the brutalist subreddit. Love this kind of shit. I kind of love it too. It's kind of cool. Let's get some more of it in frame. There we go. Go for a bit of a low shot here. Kind of a rough situation for the camera here because we got so much going on right now. Sun, shadows, colors. In here, the birds chirp. Today it is the 21st of February and I'm getting the feeling of spring. There's birds chirping, it's green and it's like 5 degrees probably. It's a very nice day for some photography and just like walking about the logo. We got some really nice light coming here because it's being like, it's hitting the top of that house. I have to do a bracket on that, see if I can save it in post. So I'm ending the video here. Thank you so much for watching and appreciate it. Keep a watch out for part 3. It's gonna come soon, where I get back into the city center for some more shots. Thank you.